Hello all. The application that I developed is agent management system, which can be accessed only by admin. So I given an admin option. The hovering on it, we can see the login option. By clicking this, we can move to login page. Without login, we cannot access the operations that can be performed. The operations that can be performed are insert, update, fetch all agent details, fetch by ID, getting agent details and their connection information, and top 5 agent details. If we click register now, we cannot perform since we are not at login. If we give the option like admin and our password as root, we can log in. If we hover to the admin, it shows like logout since we are logged in. If we click register now, it shows the operation that we can perform like insert update. If we enter script without entering any details, it shows like please enter the valid details. By entering the valid details like Kumar K and some day today. Just for the demo video, by clicking this today, MK Chennai, I entering a enter a valid mobile number. Since mobile number will be a 10-digit number, so give 10-digit, it doesn't show error. We should click qualification. Other number should be a 12-digit number. Since it is 11-digit, shows error till now. If you 12, it's not. The PAN card number is a regular expression and we have to enter 5 characters first, followed by 4 digits, end with an character. This was the correct format of a PAN card. Today's date we have to click today. Let's change the date 5/2/1991. If we click create, agent record added successfully. Let's view the record like Kumar K. Let's take the ID 1053. If we enter the particular agent ID, fetch the agent ID details where we can edit it. If we enter the wrong ID which doesn't exist like 1595, it shows agent ID doesn't exist. We can go back to update. We copy the agent number like 1052. Search this. It's Pranit Kumar. Let's be careful. Let's change it as Anna Nagar Madurai. Qualification to CSE. Yeah, the details are correctly entered. See, the registered date is today. If you say this record updated successfully. So your data like Kanish K, Anna Nagar, CSE. In fetch by if you doesn't know the agent ID and if you want to update agent ID, there is an option. Let's see fetch by ID. Fetch by ID gets the particular agent ID record you are entered. For example, I enter 1023, which agent ID record exists. It returns the agent record. If you enter the other details, other values doesn't exist, it shows agent record doesn't exist. Fetch it gets agent details. Let's think we enter while registering. If you doesn't know the agent ID, but can click edit option here and get the agent record over update. We can change here. We see all the regular expression is different since these data are entered in database, so it's showing the wrong regular expression value. Now I'm entering it correctly. by character followed by phone number and followed by a character. To today, PLPY, let's see whether it is updating or not. Agent record updated successfully. Yes. This is the recorded option of PLPO Rahul Chaudhary 1013. This record is supposed to be updated, the particular Aadhaar number is updated. And then fetch agent details, get agent details with their overall commission amount, performance, incentive amounts, or number of policies that they were achieved. Transfer agent detail gets transfer agent details. It's arranged in a manner according to the commission details. Transfer agent with the commissions. An agent will provide particular agent will be associated to particular provider. So agent details like commission amount and their performance with their provider name is fetched. Search by commission. We can, if you want to filter agents who are under these commission amount to give some promotions. If we enter like that, if we give 100, I mean with 500, these are the agents who have the commission amount range like this. If we give starting range as fair at 1.5, ending range as small, gives invalid range of commission amount. Back to searching, let's go to this page. These are the operations that we can perform. In below they are given above section, and we can see the description of the performance of our operations. By clicking home page, we can redirect to home page. If we click register now we can access because we are logged in. By clicking log out here, if we see there, it's logging, we are logged out. If we want to access this, we need to log. Admin, password, root. If we give any other thing, it's lowercase root. If we give anything extra character, it's just a login. If we give character, it's logged in. We can check the card. Let's show logged out since we logged in. Now we can access the operations. Thank you.